Welcome to Hooray! Today let's learn some tips and techniques in the reading component for the IELTS test. The reading component lasts for 60 minutes and you will have three passages with different kinds of questions. One of the question type is list selection. Let's look at this in detail. Here's the description. You will be given a passage to read. It's usually academic in nature, yet it will not require specialist knowledge. A summary of the passage will be given. Some of the words would be missing. Based on information from the passage, you will be given a question. And a list of several options are the possible answers. The task is to select all the options that best answers the question. Here's the objective. The task in the IELTS reading test is designed to assess a wide range of reading skills, including the general sense of a passage, to identify the main ideas, to look for detail, to understand inferences and implied meaning, to recognize a writer's opinion, attitude, and purpose, to follow the development of an argument. The skills are in bold. Those are directly relevant to this particular task. Here are some strategies that you could follow. Read and understand the instructions and check the word limit. Underline the keywords. Scan the text for the ideas with the keywords. Remember, you will need to look for synonyms and parallel expressions. Here is a sample passage. Take a few minutes to read through this, please. This is how the question would look. You have 6 questions A to L. Complete the summary using the list of words from A to L below. These are the answers. 1 C incident, 2 G established, 3 J increased, 4 A predicted, 5 L passengers, and 6 K injury. Let's see the explanation for these answers. Here are some of the common problems our students often encounter. Lack of comprehension of the passage, 2 inability to identify keywords, and 3 inability to paraphrase. The tips in the following slide will help you avoid these problems. These are the general reading tips. You have to be a voracious reader. You have to be able to search for keywords in the passages. Your vocabulary has to be rich. That is also called lexical resource. You have to ask questions from the text. You have to learn to infer meaning from passages. You have to identify how many words you can read in a minute. Look for sight words. Listen to a lot of different readers. Improve your reading fluency by using a progress meter. And do a lot of research work in libraries and improve your reading skills. I hope these tips and techniques and strategies have been useful for you. Wish you all the best in reading and identifying the correct answers when doing the list selection type of questions. Thank you.